Love. Love. What is love? Love is a strange thing. It can make you happy, upset, blind, speechless, or even a heart with no beating. No matter who, when, where, why, or how, everyone will fall in love. Everyone will have their first love in their life. My first love was a few years ago. I think first love gave me the sweetest joy, yet the deepest cut. Forgetting those past takes time, but sometimes an object or a memory will drag you back to the past. It reminds you of someone, and it reminds me a girl with sweet smile, brown hair, smooth hand, and a soft skin. A girl of my first love.